Hello and welcome back to the Shop channel. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the forecast report in Odoo CRM. If you've been tracking your sales pipeline in Odoo, you know how important it is to stay on top of your opportunities. The forecast report gives you a clear visual way to do just that. It lets you view upcoming opportunities, build accurate sales forecasts, fine-tune closing dates, and monitor your team's performance, all in real time. So let's jump right in and see how it all works.
To get started, head over to the CRM app, go to the reporting menu, and click on Forecast. And here we are. This is your forecast report view. By default, the forecast report shows all opportunities in your pipeline expected to close within the next 4 months. They are organized by the expected closing date. Each column represents a month, and each card is an individual opportunity. Even opportunities without a closing date are displayed. They appear under a separate non-column. The best part, you don't even need to open the opportunity to set the closing date. Just drag and drop the card to a different month, and Odoo will automatically update the expected closing date to the last date of the new month. You'll also notice that the prorated revenue at the top of each column updates instantly as you move opportunities around. That's real-time forecasting in action. By default, opportunities are grouped by month, but you can easily change that. Click the little arrow next to the search bar, go to Group By, Expected Closing, and choose a different time frame, like week, quarter, or even day. You can also use other grouping and filtering options to customize your forecast reporting exactly the way you need it. So if you want to get a more granular view of your upcoming deals, you have that flexibility. Now, if you prefer precision over dragging, you can also update the closing date manually. Just click on the opportunity card and select the expected closing date from the calendar. This is especially helpful when you want to assign an exact day instead of a general month. Now, if we head back to the forecast, we'll see that opportunity under the month we just defined. Now let's talk about the numbers at the top of each column, the prorated revenue. This isn't just the total expected revenue. It's a more accurate figure calculated by multiplying expected revenue by the probability of closing. For example, if you have an opportunity worth $10,000 with a 50% probability, the prorated revenue will be $5,000. This gives you a realistic projection of what you're likely to close, not just the maximum possible revenue. Now let's say you want to go beyond the Kanban layout. Odoo offers multiple views for your forecast data, like graph, pivot, or list. Let's start with the graph view. Over here you can switch between a bar chart, line chart, or pie chart. Hover over any part of the chart and you will get both the numbers and percentage ratios. You can also change the measure from prorated revenue to expected revenue or exceeded closing dates. However, only one measure is shown at a time in the graph view. So if you want to compare multiple metrics, jump into the pivot table. Here you can add multiple measures and of course use grouping and filtering options. You can group data by salesperson, stage, or any other criteria. It's great for deeper analysis. And yes, you also have options to insert this table into a spreadsheet or download it as an XLSX file for further use. And finally, for a simple, clean table format, there is the list view. And that's how you manage and customize a forecast report in Odoo CRM. Whether you're dragging and dropping cards for a quick update, analyzing revenue projections, or digging into pivot tables, Odoo makes forecasting simple, flexible, and powerful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Odoo tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.